Boost productivity on your phone with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. I'm surprised how many people don't know how to use ChatGPT on their phones. Now you can use AI on WhatsApp as well. Here's how to use it on your phone to maximize productivity. Use ChatGPT on WhatsApp using ChatGPT AI. With ChatGPT AI, you can easily chat with ChatGPT directly on your WhatsApp. Easy, fast, secure. ChatGPT.ai. Here's how to use it. 1. Sign up easily to create an account. 2. Connect your AI assistant to WhatsApp with a single button. 3. Start chatting. Best features. 1. Generate images on WhatsApp. Write a few words about what kind of image you want to produce and AI will create it for you in seconds. Generate quickly with the /image command. 2. Instant information access. Get quick and helpful answers on WhatsApp with ChatGPT AI, utilizing ChatGPT's power. Send voice messages easily. 3. Convert photos into stickers. ChatGPT AI can easily convert any image into sticker. Generate quickly with the /sticker command.